Most people think creating tutorial content requires a very expensive computer, complicated set of systems, and expensive softwares. I thought the same myself too when I initially thought about beginning to create content. But after creating content for consistently about 3 to 4 weeks, I discovered that that is not the actual reality. I came across an application that helps me to make my workflow much more easier when I'm creating tutorial content. And this software that I'm going to talk about today is called Bandicam. Bandicam is a software that helps us to record our screen while we are carrying out tutorial content. Well, if you are here for the first time, my name is Sonny with Team Progress, and do us well to like our video, share our video, and hit the subscription bell, subscription notice. And at the same time, don't forget to touch the subscription bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get our videos once there is a new upload on our channel. So welcome to the progress, and this is where we begin. So we now know if this software is worth the trouble using to create content in the year 2026. I have tested different recording softwares over some period, but I kept coming back to this Bandicam for a few specific reasons. I'm talking about this software because I like it. I'm not being paid for, it's not being sponsored. This is simply the software I rely to get my job done. So when people choose a screen recorder, we always focus on the wrong things. Some of us look at how many buttons, some of us look at what are the things that it really carries. But I think the three things that really matters is, does it record clear? Is the recording smooth? And can we pass the message on to our viewers? Our viewers don't really care about what kind of software we use, but rather they care about what are we passing to them. That is where Bandicam stands out for me. The first thing I noticed about Bandicam is that it's lightweight. I did not need to spend time to learn a complicated interface. I opened it, select my recording area, pressed record, and it started creating. For tutorial, that's exactly what I need. No necessary distractions, just record and get to work. Another thing I appreciate in the recording quality, it's demonstrating an AI tools, websites, or editing techniques. Text clarity matters. If I can't read what's on the screen, then the tutorial becomes useless. Bandicam has consistently produced clear recording that allows my viewers to follow along without struggling. Well, for sake of tutorial, as you can see, this is exactly what I'm using for this tutorial, this same Bandicam software.com. Where do we have it? You go to the same website that I just mentioned now, bandicam.com, where you now download the version that suits you, whether you want to download for your Android, for your Apple, or for your Mac, or for your PC. They have it there. I'm using the free version of it. These features, you go there and you play with. You look as I'm talking to you now. This place here that you see this cursor here will allow you to set your screens. You come here, you'll be able to set the speakers, that the output speaker that you get. You come here, you set your microphone, you increase or decrease. This button here will enable you to set your videos the way you want. You can actually capture a still image while you are talking. This is where you can actually capture a still image. Let me capture an image. You see, now it has a hotkeys. F1, I mean F11. You can use that to capture your picture, and F12 is a hotkey for you to use in starting recording or you stop recording with it. Now this Bandicam is so good that you know it is very clear. I know it's very clear, not that you know. If you are already using Bandicam, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you are considering it, tell me what type of content you create, and I'll share whether it's good fit for your workflow. In view of this, I would like to comment on content creation, exactly the aspect of the tutorial. If you are using this for tutorial, we can share our ideas together. Do me well to check on our emails, then you send me your own experience. And if you are planning to use this Bandicam as a creator for tutorial, it's as easy as possible. You go to their website where you download this software Bandicam. Like I said, it's easier, it's not complicated, very easy to set up. You play around with it. This feature here is the microphone. You can always increase and decrease your microphone and set it up. This same one here is for the speaker, and here you see, if it's not in use, you see an icon, a webcam icon here. So you can click here, enable your webcam, and at the same time do the settings. This place here, exactly where you see this computer screen here, will give you access to different sizes of, you look at it, you see this is how it goes. You want a full screen, you click, let me show. This is, you say select the recording area, so you can now give you the areas you want to record on your screen, full screen, all display one, always like that. So there are a lot of features laced up in this software that I'm using. So I mean, I don't know what I can say much about this. It's a very interesting software. I'm not being paid for it. Like I said, I'll repeat again, I was not paid for it. I'm just trying to share my idea, because after much research, there are some that I tested. It freezes my computer. It makes my workflow to be very difficult, and at the end of the day, I don't get a good video quality, no clarity. The voice, the audio that come out of it is nothing to write home about. But with this Bandicam, my audio is perfect. Even with when I play them, I had to go back to my video editor, to make sure that I balance up the audio. Now let's dive in. Let me show you some of the things I was able to do with this software. I created some things. Let me see. Let me open this folder here. Yeah, you can see I made some videos yesterday with it. I have mute the volume on my system. And you don't need to wait for 4,000 hours of viewership and 1,000 subscribers to start making money online. If you are a content creator, a new update is available with us. The new update that is verifiable. My friend just called me yesterday, and I was able to check it out. Just let me show you another video that I've displayed. But I don't know if hello guys, I was able to sign in. I decided to, it's free. Like I said, there is a free version and there's a paid version. So the free version has some limitations. And the limitation with the free version is you will not be able to record more than 10 minutes. That's the max you can go. So if you are planning to make a video of about maybe 20-30 minutes, you know what to do. You break down your workflow into maybe 3-4 segments, then you do them one after the other. Then that way you can be able to compile or stitch your videos together and get exactly what you want. But the paid version is good because it's unlimited. This software has its own drawback. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying it's 100% perfect. But as you continue to use, you'll be able to discover some of the shortcomings. But I think the shortcomings will not really bother you because the benefit you get from it outweighs the shortcomings. So this Bandicam is a nice app. I've used it and I'm still using it, and I'm planning to use it for other of my videos. So as you see here, mine is unregistered. I've not registered mine, which means it's not licensed. So I have limited time to use, with it. I cannot exceed 10 minutes for every recording I do. So I thought it wise that I should bring this our way for those that are struggling, to get softwares that will do screen recording for them, because I was one of them too. I had to struggle. I had to do a lot of research to come up with this answer. So if you are just on board newly and you happen to find this video, well, it will save you a lot of headache, a lot of time, a lot of money. The more you waste time, the more time you spend over the internet, the more data you consume, and that is money. So if you like this video, do us well to subscribe. Subscription is free. If you are subscribing to our channel, it's free. You are not paying anything. Subscribe to our channel, like our video. Don't forget to smash that notification bell down there so that you will be part of the first people to get noticed, to be notified when a new video is uploaded. So thanks for watching, thanks for giving me your time, and thanks for staying put to this moment. Well, go and try Bandicam, then come and thank me later. It's free of charge. But if you have the capacity, there's nothing stopping you from paying the subscription package so that you can get full access to all the features. Stay blessed and come your way some other time as you upload new features and bring you new updates. Bye bye for now.